Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning for the month of September in my B6. I have this kit from Planner Gems, and I have like the add-on for this kit too. So I am planning on using this in my mini month as well. I don't usually film that, but I'll see how it goes. I might tack it on at the end. But anyway, I am still in my 1407 Planners monthly inserts. I like the layout of this, and I like that it's not like numbered, but you guys know that this paper drives me so crazy. Like, I've never made it through a plan with me in here without having to like use so much undo. So fingers crossed for today. But anyway, I do like the layout. It's just the paper on this kind of drives me nuts, but I've only been using this since like June, so I kind of want to just like use more of it up, but I definitely will be switching that eventually. I did grab a bunch of Simply Gilded washi, some Galaxy 2.0, some Purple Mist, and some Candy Bows in pink. These are all hollow, and I tried to make myself a couple of hollow stickers to bring in as well. But yeah, anyway, this is going to be a voiceover, and I am going to jump in and throw it over to the voiceover.
Okay, so I decided to start by putting down like the sidebar name thing. That's usually something I have like a little bit of struggle with, but it actually went on smoothly this time. And then I grabbed these date dots from Wild Summer Designs. They are silver foiled, but I don't have hollow date dots, and silver and hollow to me are pretty close. And then I was putting them on and then realizing that I was gonna like run out of days, so I decided to just peel that one up, or try to, and then like draw that date in half to put them on. But then I put tried to put the date back on, but it was like really jacked up from being pulled up because, like I said, this paper is really not all that sticker friendly. So anyway, I grabbed another date dot and made it look okay. And then I just decided to do plans before I did like any washiing. So the first is, or was at this point, my husband and I's wedding anniversary. Then I put Labor Day down by accident, and tried to peel that up, and then I basically had an undo nightmare that I had to just cut out anyway. But I used a lot of undo to try and get that sticker up, move Labor Day to the correct spot, and we also had a birthday party which is on the 1st, which is what I had meant to put down in the first place. Anyway, so it was Labor Day on the 3rd. I am going to swap out that heart. There were wedding rings in there for that later. And then in addition, on Labor Day, I actually went for a massage as well. So I was putting that in. There's like a ton of icons in this kit, so I wanted to use them. Then on the 6th, I have a haircut. And on the 9th, we are having like a dinner at our house, because the 10th is Rosh Hashanah, which I made these. This is the whole reason that I made these date stickers myself, is because it's really hard to find stickers that for the Jewish holidays, although SPC just put some foiled holiday stickers out, and they have the Jewish holidays in there, so I'm so happy about that. Can't wait to pick that up at this week's new releases. But anyway, so I put down the rest of the holidays. I am also going back to work on the 11th from my long maternity leave is finally coming to an end, so I am going back to work after, and it's like kind of perfect because it's like Jewish New Year, going back to work for the new year. Anyway, I am like dreading / excited for that, a little bit of both, a little bit of everything. But also we have like back to school night, my son has a doctor's appointment, and we have some friends in like the weekend of the 29th, so just marking those things in. Then I decided to put down paydays as well this month because I had the flags, and why not? There were 4 flags, and that's how many I needed. I get paid the 15th and 30th every month, and my husband gets paid like every other week. So sometimes they align, sometimes they don't. But yeah, anyway, then I used this cover to cover those dates, and then I decided to make a sort of like washi one for the other 2 up there. I kind of like, I don't know, maybe I was gonna originally just like start on the 2nd so that I would have more space, and I probably would have done that in another month, except for that, like I had 2 things that I wanted to mark for the 1st. So I just did this like that, and it's totally fine. I don't need like a lot of spaces on these months, so I didn't mind having to like draw in that whole triangle thing. I don't have like a ton of plans this month, but it like feels really, really busy because it's like back to school, back to work, back to like regular life, end of vacation, all of those things. So it kind of like it mentally feels where there's a lot of stuff we've been like trying to get done in the house and get ready in the house. So there's like a lot of stuff going on, but we don't have like a ton of plans. Like we don't have any visitors coming till October. We're not going on any trips. Well, I guess we have like someone coming in but not staying with us like the last weekend of the month. So it's like just like a lot of home stuff to get done. So then there were like these washi strips in the kit, and I decided to like just kind of use them as more deco because I didn't really have any like blocks of time that I needed to mark like for vacations or anything. So I just used them like up at the top and like along the side, and just, I don't know, to make it look like a little bit more sparkly. I do really like how the hollow stickers look. They're just like super thick. It's the Silhouette clear sticker paper, so I need to try and find like thin sticker paper. And that is everything.
Okay, that is everything all filled out. Didn't really have like a ton to write, especially with all of those stickers that I made myself that are of medium quality. I think I need like better paper, but unfortunately I have kind of a lot of this clear sticker paper, but it's very thick. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for new paper, but I do really like this Planner Gems format, so I will definitely be picking up more monthly kits from her in the future. I do have some clips, Peach Pond, K & Co. XOXO, and a K & Co. XOXO dangle. I don't really refer to this that much during the month. I refer to my mini month a lot more, but like this is nice to have as like a sort of decorative overview. I did off camera just film. Not film, but I did set up my mini month using like some of the leftovers and other pieces from the kit. So I will show you that. I do have a Studio Signet bookmark on that one because I use this one. I like try and check in with, like, if not daily, at least every couple of days. This does have a habit tracker. This is what a blank page looks like, but I covered it up last month just with deco, and then this month I just decided to use those little checklists since I had them. I thought that they would maybe fit here. They aren't actually sized for this insert. They're sized for this add-on is sized for the Jasenia's month on 4-page insert, but I still was able to use like some of the elements. And I use this more for like social media and like that kind of stuff, editorial calendar. So I haven't really filled this out yet. This I use for like references to like other like pages that I need to remember, like where I kept certain lists or what's in my bullet journal, what's in here, what's in my whatever I need to check. Then like big to-dos for the month, trying something new in this part, so we'll see how that goes. And then I just do like some stats tracking up here and like jot down video ideas and stuff. But anyway, so those are my 2 monthly spreads. I will flip back to my main monthly. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplants to keep up with everything going on my planners. Bye!